MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys this home mask that I've been using for a couple years now. Okay, disclaimer everybody, this is me editing this video. I call this a mask because masks and scrubs and those kinds of things are all in the same to me, but this is technically a face scrub. So disregard that I keep calling it a mask. I apologize, but this is technically a face scrub. Okay, y'all may continue. Occasionally we'll teach skincare classes, and this is a mask that I always hand out to everybody in the class. The ingredients are super easy to get a hold of. They're just, you know, some household cooking items, super inexpensive. So yeah, if you guys want to see this mask that I use that really works wonders, then make sure to stay watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the ingredients that are in this mask. Of course, you want to put stuff on your skin that's going to help your skin. So what properties they have and what it does for your skin. Okay, so first, the brown sugar is good for exfoliation. Of course, if your skin is a little more sensitive, you want to be a little careful. The granules in this brown sugar is going to help exfoliate the skin. Exfoliation is basically just removing the top layer of your skin and revealing the, smooth skin under. Have, like I said, sensitive skin, be careful with this. I would suggest just putting it on with your fingers and rubbing it into your skin gently. On the other hand, have used this several times and my skin's a little more tough. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a tool that we'll get to here shortly. The next thing is olive oil. It's an antioxidant and it helps to prevent aging skin. Next ingredient on the list is the cocoa powder, which helps to soften skin. It clears and detoxifies the skin as well. So the last ingredient that we have is the vanilla extract, which has antibacterial properties. It's good for acne. So yeah, all these items together sort of tackles every issue that you could probably think of in one. So let's get ready to apply the mask. Okay, so once you get the mask put together, this is what it's gonna look like in the bowl. It's pretty thick and chunky. It smells really, really good because of the vanilla and the cocoa. Go ahead and put my hair out of the way. So I already just lightly washed my skin like I always do. I do have a video that shows like my skincare routine. If you guys want to check that out, I will put that up there. So let's go ahead and apply the mask. It's a little thick, so you can put it on any way that you feel comfortable with your fingers. You can use one of these little mask brush. I think today I'm going to use my fingers. Just going to go ahead and glob it on. And be careful because it does sort of make a mess. So you want to make sure to put the bowl under there. And you can see already how grimy and granulated that is. That's from the brown sugar. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a good amount on my forehead that will stick on my nose. And this is making a mess. I usually do this in the bathroom and not on my desk. Either just massage it in with your fingers. I would suggest getting your fingers a little wet, massaging that in, but I'm going to go in with my Mia 2 Clarisonic. I love this thing. I'm going to get it a little wet. I'm going to turn her on, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use that to massage that into my skin. Lightly go all the way around. And those granules, like I said, in the brown sugar will go ahead and exfoliate your skin. And it smells so good. I swear to God, it smells, well, it is edible, but it smells really good. Okay, once I get that massage into my skin pretty well, yeah, and then you look crazy. But, I mean, it tastes good. It's dripping out of my mouth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wash it off. I'm using my Makeup Erase towels. I love these things. I will also link those in the description box below if you guys want to grab them. They work for taking off makeup. They work for taking off everything. I just love them. All right, lightly just wiping that off my face. And that is it. If you guys feel like you want to go back and do one more round, you're more than welcome to do that. There's more than enough here for, two applications or for 2 people to use it. We also can refrigerate it for a day or 2, as long as it's in a sealed container. That way you can use it for a couple days in a row. That is the little mask that I use. Super easy. You guys, I know a lot of people are stuck at home, not able to get to, estheticianists or get facials done. This is definitely an easy, all-natural skincare mask that you guys can do at home. If you guys have any homemade masks that you guys use with, easy natural products, make sure to comment below. I would love to try some of those. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.